In this video, I'm gonna show you how to password protect photos on iPhone. So let's get started. Basically, there are two ways by which you can password protect photos on iPhone. Number one, using Photos app. First, open Photos app on your iPhone. Now open the photo that you want to password protect. Now tap three dots with circle located at the top right side. From the available options, tap Hide. A menu will pop up. Just tap Hide Photo. Your photo will be moved to the hidden album, which is password protected. Now, if you want to view your photo again, just go to the album view in the Photos app, scroll to the bottom, and select Hidden. Face ID recognition will be activated, or you will be prompted to enter the password. And once you do, you will see all your hidden photos. Now let's see second way, which is using Notes app. First, open Notes app on your iPhone. Now tap New Note icon to create a new note. Tap Add Photo icon in the toolbar. Now tap Choose Photo or Video option. On the next screen, tap each photo that you want to add. When you are done, just tap Add. Notes will insert the photos you selected into the note file. Now tap three dots with circle located at the top right side. Here tap Lock. Now close the Notes app and open again. Now if you try to open the note that we just created, Face ID recognition will be activated or you will be prompted to enter your password, and once you do, note will be unlocked and you can see the photos. So those were the two ways by which you can password protect photos on iPhone. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.